Hi, my name is Jennifer Wafa. I'm one of the co-founders of Noveshine Cleaning Service. I struggle to keep up with cleaning while juggling work, family, and everything else. You're not alone. A clean space is not just about the looks, it's essential for your health and peace of mind. That is where Noveshine Cleaning Service comes in. We take the stress out of cleaning with top quality residential and commercial service. Whether it's a deep cleaning, office cleaning, hotel or Airbnb cleaning, we make sure your space is spotless. At Noveshine, we do things differently. Our team is detail-oriented, professional, and committed to deliver top-tier results every time. And here's the best part. We are offering 20% off your first cleaning, but hurry, it's for a limited time. So why do wait? Let's do the dirty work while you enjoy a clean space. Call 079-138-128 or email noveshiningcleaningservice@gmail.com or visit our website to book your cleaning today. Noveshine Cleaning Service. We make clean simple.
Hello, my name is Dario Raphael. I introduce to you Noveshine Cleaning Services, your trusted partner for a cleaner and a healthier space. Our professional cleaning services caters to offices, homes, and commercial properties with good, effective products and equipment. Our expert teams help deliver a solution to a one-time deep cleans, regular maintenance. Also, our expert teams help in preparing for a special occasion. Noveshine Cleaning Services, we always stick to time. We are very, very time conscious. We don't play when it comes to time. Enjoy a lovable, clean environment with Noveshine Cleaning Services. Reduce your stress. Let Noveshine Cleaning Services do the work while you do some other things. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Okenya Berechukwu and I'm excited to introduce you to Noveshine Cleaning Services, where we believe that a clean space is a happy space. In today's busy world, finding a reliable cleaning service can be a challenge. Many people struggle with inconsistent quality and untrustworthy staff. That's where we come in. As Noveshine, we pride ourselves on our commitment to excellence and integrity. What sets us apart is that we use eco-friendly cleaning products that are safe for our family and your pets, ensuring healthy environments while delivering sparkling results. Our team is fully trained, background checked, and dedicated to providing top-notch services tailored to your needs. Imagine coming home to a spotless space without lifting a finger. With Noveshine, you will save time and enjoy peace of mind, knowing your home is in good hands. You're ready to experience the Noveshine difference? Visit our website or give us a call today to schedule your first cleaning. Here is my card. Let us bring the shine back into your life. Thank you.
Hi, I am Yodawa Biodo Mogiate from Noveshine Cleaning Service. I know you're busy, so I'll keep this quick. Imagine walking into your office every day and seeing it perfectly clean and fresh. At Noveshine, we don't just clean, we make your workspace shine. Our team uses safe and eco-friendly products that are good for your health and environment. What makes us special? We create cleaning plans just for you, so you get exactly what you need. Plus, our friendly staff is always ready to help if you have any question or changes. If you are not happy with our work, we will fix it for free. Let's chat about how Noveshine can help keep your office looking its best. Here is my card. Feel free to reach out anytime, or you can still check us on Instagram, Noveshine. Thank you.
Hi, I am Asim Kamar, student of Masters at Ulster University, here to present my business model in front of you. It's very different business idea which will help us to start easily and gain maximum profit. It's related to cleaning services named as Noveshine. The cleaning industry is filled with outdated methods that waste time, money, resources. Noveshine brings a smarter solution by integrating automation, optimized scheduling, and trained professionals to provide top-notch cleaning at lower cost. Whether it's corporate offices, retail store, or residential complex, our services ensure spotless environment with maximum efficiency. With your investment, we can scale our operations and redefine the cleaning industry with a modern, cost-effective approach. Hopefully, it will help me to gain your interest. Thank you.